iqhubeka uhleli nabafowenu uvela uzenza ubhibrada ongabekwanga umuntu uNkulunkulu bese ekukhombisa ukuthi wena mangakubeka phambi kwezimvu you will be Lord. You will be Lord. Uyathanda wena ukukhonzwa, uyathanda ukuhlonishwa abafowenu njengobaba shakaphaya. Uba na-offense nje ukuthi hayi indaba bekhuluma nami kanje it's not just ukuthi khona into abayigudluzayo khona into ezosibangela inkinga. And so the Lord said I need to open you up. In my heart one day I said Lord, I'm not even angry anymore. I don't care if you are angry. This is not about emotions. I don't care if you are angry. If you want to say ngiyakhuluma ukuthi uqhaza ukuthi so let the important dormant. We are waiting for a chick. I don't know what is this spot called. Let them go to Inyaten. What was Susunya on the same crew? It's a landmine. It's a landmine. So let the go to Inyaten. It's a landmine. It's just waiting for someone to step on it. Man, Satan is not a fair player. Satan is not a fair player. We are Linda. I'm little so let me as our people have a bush and woman. I'm here the foot of a dog. I'm Fazaluti when I rebellion as a shaz and causing a cause. Get him in the son of a color rebellious as I told you. Why fairly con they let money dinner. What to give me instruction that cool. What fellow to law? What's that tell the law? Guess what I'm going to law? No, I'm going to a kulu. No, I'm going to say some shit. I'm not a fella nani. So we meet. This one, unless it doesn't buy weight. See my weight, what's it? Something I don't cook. I'm a crossella. Something I don't cook. I'm not going to cook. I'm not crossing. I'm a pants. Uzulingane nawo uzwakala usuthi bangisukela angizange ngibe nje mina. So instead of you suffocating cross, they call you down to their level. Glory. So I wanted, and if I went until he makes my feet like hands' feet, able to stand firmly, tread safely on paths of testing and trouble. What he sets me securely upon my high places. What I am giving over to Shashisa just is all Shashisa. I stand safely, firmly, secured. Even if you don't heal me this year, if you don't heal me next year, you'll find me standing. Even if you don't give me in the next 10 years, you won't move me. It won't make me fall because he makes my feet to stand firmly, securely on high places. Let us stand on our